So tips for teaching your baby sign language. Do you want to understand your baby before they can even talk? Baby sign language might just be your parenting superpower. Now today we're literally diving into how to teach your baby sign language in a way that's simple as well as fun and incredibly effective. Now let's unlock a whole new way to bond and communicate with your little one. Now tip number one, you want to start early. So begin around 6 to 8 months or whenever your baby shows interest in communication. But hey, it's literally never too late to start. The earlier you begin, the sooner those adorable little hand signs start popping up, and literally they're so cute. Now, tip number two is choose signs that actually matter. So start with signs for everyday essentials, like think milk or more or all done or, potty. These are like the greatest hits of baby needs. Now, tip number three is be consistent. So always use the sign when you say the word. So like literally every single time. So whether you're offering a snack or, changing a diaper, sign it and say it. Now, tip number four is literally repeat, repeat, and repeat. So repetition is literally your best friend. Babies learn through seeing the same gesture over and over again. So make it part of your daily routine. Now, tip number five is eye contact is absolutely key. So try to get on your baby's level and keep eye contact while you're signing. This actually helps them focus on what you're doing as well as saying. Now, tip number six is get the whole crew involved. Encourage your family, babysitters, friends, anyone who's around your baby to literally join in. The more exposure, the faster they will literally learn. Now, tip number seven is build gradually. Don't overwhelm your baby with like 100 signs all at once. You can start small and add more as their understanding literally grows. Now, tip number eight is patience, grasshopper. Some babies catch on quickly. Others literally take their sweet time. Don't stress. Every baby learns at their own pace. Now, tip number nine is the pressure zone, or rather, no pressure zone. Signing should actually be fun, not frustrating. Never force your baby to sign. Let it literally happen naturally and with encouragement. Now, tip number 10 is celebrate every win. So whether your baby makes like a sign, even a little wobbly one, cheer like they just literally won a gold medal. Positive reinforcement literally goes such a long way. Now, here's a bonus tip. You want to use helpful resources. So check out videos, books, or sign language classes to expand your skills as well as keep things exciting. I've got a link below for some great books, as well as, you can always check out my videos, totally free on YouTube. Now, with time, consistency, and a little patience, baby sign language can turn those little, guess what my baby wants moments into magical conversations. Now, if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more parenting tips, and comment below. What signs are you teaching first is the question.